To redeem a Delta Companion certificate, there are 3 methods to choose from. The Delta Companion Pass allows you to select a +1 for your flight, free of airline charges and exclusive of taxes. Every time you redeem and purchase points for a flight, this certificate is automatically issued to your SkyMiles account yearly after card renewal. The first method is to look up your certificate by SkyMiles number. The second method involves accessing your SkyMiles account through the top right corner link on the website, logging in, and then viewing your companion certificate. The third method requires going to the certificate checkbox and clicking Continue, which will automatically grant you access to your companion pass, visible in your profile. To redeem your certificate, start by signing into delta.com and navigating to your profile. On the left side of the screen, select the option for certificates, e-credits, and vouchers. Your companion certificate will be listed under the Use Certificates and e-credits section. Select the certificate checkbox and click Continue. Alternatively, you can also look up your certificate by using the 8-digit certificate code sent to you via email. It's worth noting that a companion ticket is transferable, allowing you to use your account to book a ticket for someone else. However, once the ticket has been issued, it cannot be transferred. Additionally, in the event of a reservation cancellation, the companion ticket cannot be reissued. If you have accrued 2 companion vouchers over 2 card years, you can use 2 Delta vouchers concurrently for a group or family of 4. There is no limit to the number of times you can use a companion pass, and this applies to both tickets redeemed in points or in cash. Overall, redeeming a Delta Companion ticket is a straightforward process.